Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing the Saturn's MRF290. I have it right here on the water, got it all prepared. It's got the motor in it, the 6 horsepower, got the gallon of gasoline. I got a beach chair because I want to try when I'm in the middle of the lake to relax on the beach chair. So I'm going to put that down as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let me go ahead in the water and start with the review, okay? Alright, so I'm moving along with it. This boat encourages you to basically sit down on the floor instead of onto the seat. You know, if you have an outboard like this one, if you can plan to use it. I think this boat is more meant to be relaxing. And you will use the seat in order to, you want to raft, perhaps. But I think I'm being encouraged to just sit down here on the edge of the boat and just chill. So I like that. This is nice. That ain't too bad. I like it. I like it. All right, so let me go ahead and get deeper into the lake. I'm hoping that I can shoot the drone in the air so you guys can see everything, how it moves and how it maneuvers and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, today the waters are a little bit choppy. I wouldn't be able to move like too fast, but it handles it well. Like so. Moving along. That's nice. Ah. Yeah, this is nice. Look at that sunrise.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Well, as you guys saw, I was sitting on a beach chair on this. So if you're in the middle of the lake, you want to bring a beach chair, you want to just relax, you can do that. I want to show you guys the real estate. You know, I got a cooler right there. That's my back for my drone. Got the gas, got the beach chair right there. Let me move backwards. Okay. So I got this little gym mat so I can put the chair in. So there's plenty of space. Like if you want to go solo fishing, you got plenty of space here. You want to bring a person with you, you can. Here's the chair. So yeah, this little boat is actually quite nice. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm usually in contact with the folks at boatstogo.com constantly, so if you have any questions, I can relay them to you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.